What's up, muscle car people? This is Bringing Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. We got a little bit of a belt slipping issue, and today we're gonna fix that. So, as you can see from the dyno pulls, and then also from when we went to the drag strip after the dyno pulls, we were having major belt slipping. So we have a few parts here to help solve that. First one is American Racing Solution. Come on, man, what are you doing? It takes longer if you keep goofing around. So first part we have to solve the problem is American Racing Solution thumb tensioner. Supposed to be the best one on the market, so that's supposed to help a lot. Second thing we got was a 90mm auxiliary pulley. That's supposed to help. Then we got a BPS auxiliary. I guess this is a tensioner pulley. This is a auxiliary tension, and this one is adjustable, unlike the Matco that we have there. So we'll see how that goes. And then also we got a 2.4, because that's what we have on there now, Grip Tech pulley. So hopefully between all of this and the new belt, we will eliminate belt slipping. So let's get to the install and get this taken care of. So once you remove the coolant reservoir out of the way with just 2 bolts, then you have access to the thumb tensioner. So we're going to remove that and install the new one. Okay, so we got the thumb tensioner off. Let's just take a look at them. I'm actually kind of surprised that mine had a smaller pulley on it, but it is what it is. Hopefully that helps eliminate some of the problem. I don't think there was really anything wrong with the factory one. Just we need more tension, and this has a tighter spring in it. And then on the idler pulley, we went from the factory one, which I'm kind of surprised I still had the factory one on, to a 90mm from BPS. So Bullet Pro Shop or something like that. So all right, we're gonna get these installed. Put my awesome sunglasses down. So this is the 2.4 from VMP that I got with the Supercharger that I just put on, but as soon as I put it on, we had belt slip. And this is the Grip Tech. It also says from VMP, but it's actually made by ZPE, and it's significantly lighter. This one is. This has a bunch of weight at the end. This one does not. This one must be aluminum. And this, do you think this is steel? Yeah, it's heavy compared to this. So that's rotational mass. How much will it help? I mean, I would say this weighs over a pound. Wouldn't you think?
Get the scale.
Yeah, it weighs over a pound, and this is definitely under that. So we're gonna put this on and then finish up putting the auxiliary idler, and then put the belts back on, and we'll be done. It's the next day. We're running out of light, so in about 10 minutes we put the thumb tensioner on, the 90mm idler right there. We already had this on. We're going to tighten this up now. The pulley, the Grip Tech pulley, I went and bought Loctite. So we're going to finish that up, and then somehow we're going to figure out how to put the auxiliary belt on, because that thing was tight. All right. Okay, so FYI, to take off the auxiliary belt, you just go right here, 15mm, and with a short socket, and you just push down on it, and it releases the belt. It makes it very easy to take it off and then get it back on. It's
It's a lot easier with 2 people though, right, Kenny?
Yep.
I don't know how you would do it one person, unless you got lots of experience.
Alright guys, realized I didn't make an outro for the video, so here we go. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you had belt slippage and what you did to take care of it. We're gonna find out tomorrow if we did fix it. Hopefully we did, because we're going to the track hopefully to run our fastest times. So stay tuned. Let me know what you think down below of all the parts we put on, and if they helped you, if you're running those or if you're running a different brand or whatnot. So let me know. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button. We need all the likes we can get. We need all the subscribers. So, you know, we have a lot of GT500 content. We got drag week content coming up. We got lots of racing, different types, so stay tuned for that. Also, we got a saying here, if you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.